Welcome back, children. So, you have seen how respiration occurs both aerobically and anaerobically. Now, the energy that is being produced in respiration is in the form of ATP. That is adenosine triphosphate. So this ATP or adenosine triphosphate is the energy currency for the cell. Whenever the cell requires to do any activity, this ATP is being utilized and energy is obtained from this ATP molecule. Now children, since aerobic respiration depends on the availability of oxygen to each and every cell of the body, for that reason organisms have developed different ways, different systems within their body so that oxygen is made available to each and every cell. For that reason, different organisms, whether terrestrial or aquatic, have developed lot of adaptations in their body. Think of fishes which are living in water. They have to utilize the oxygen which is dissolved in water. So how do they do that? They have developed gills, which are their respiratory organs. So first of all, they open their mouth, allow the water to move inside the mouth. Then they close the mouth and force that water to go out through the gills, which are on the lateral sides of the head. And as the water is allowed to move out, whatever oxygen is dissolved in water, that oxygen is absorbed by the gill filaments. Those who have seen a fish, you will find that if you pull up the operculum, then you will see the gills and it has filaments. They are called as the gill filaments. So these are filled with, they are supplied richly with blood, which absorbs the oxygen directly from that water. So this way, different organisms has developed various ways of getting oxygen. Now, in case of plants, breathing is by the whole body. They don't have any special organ for breathing. But yes, stomata helps in movement of gases. Now it has been found that at night, when photosynthesis does not occur, then a plant, just like any other animal, gives out only carbon dioxide. But during the day, when the plant is breathing, the carbon dioxide which is being produced by the plant is utilized for the process of photosynthesis. And in doing so, one of the byproduct is oxygen, which goes out. So during the day, plants and trees, they give out oxygen. It is not that they are not giving out carbon dioxide, but I told you, the carbon dioxide that is being produced by them, that is being utilized by the plant or the tree for the purpose of photosynthesis. And as a result of photosynthesis, glucose along with oxygen is being produced, as well as water vapor is also produced, that you have already seen before. So during the daytime, production of oxygen is primary. Now, at night, only carbon dioxide is being released. That is why it is advised that we should not sleep under a tree at night. Why so? Because all of you know that carbon dioxide is a heavy gas. So such a big tree, such a huge tree produces a lot of carbon dioxide which gets settled towards the ground, and a person who is sleeping there, he might face some problem because he may be absorbing a lot of carbon dioxide. Clear, children? So children, in terrestrial organisms, oxygen has to be carried to each and every cell of the body. For that reason, there must be some developed features within the body to ensure the availability of oxygen to each and every cell. So all living organisms has developed different organs in the body so that these organs are capable of breathing in oxygen and then supplying that oxygen to each and every cell of the body. Now, since the process of distributing oxygen throughout the body is very complicated, first of all, the organ has to develop some parts within it which is efficient enough to absorb the oxygen as well as give out the carbon dioxide at the same time. Hence, these particular parts are very delicate, very minute, and extremely thin and richly supplied with blood to ensure that proper absorption and distribution of oxygen and carbon dioxide both occur simultaneously. For this reason, these organs are present within the body, well protected, so that they remain undamaged and well protected from any external injury. For example, in case of human beings, it is the work of lungs. And you know that the lungs are well protected by the ribs. So children, in our next class, we will do respiration in human being. Thank you.